In this video, we'll discuss the complete boarding cycle for pets, starting from the check-in process to the checkout process. To check in, click on Add Boarding, and you will be redirected to the Quick List. Then search for the client. Then we'll view the pets below the client. From the Pet Action, click Boarding. Select the boarding type, then choose the cage. Set the boarding period. Select the doctor who will manage the boarding, type a comment if required, and click Save. Great! Now the pet has been checked in. Let's start the follow-up process. This action can be performed once or multiple times as needed. On the follow-up page, you can select the items or services provided during this follow-up. Please specify whether the price of these items will be added to the boarding cost or not. Just select Include Boarding Price. For example, the client may request soft food for the pet, which would require additional fees. Then click Save. Now, let's check the menu actions. Follow-up. Add one or more follow-ups. Payment. Add one or more payments. Payment history. View all payments for this boarding. Items. Show all the items used during this boarding. History. Display the pet's medical history. Details. View the boarding details. Checkout. Close the boarding and deliver the pet. Delete. Available only if the boarding is still checked in. Want to make changes to the boarding items after adding them? Simply click on Items and delete the ones you wish to remove. Want to make changes? Now, let's check how to make a payment. You can make multiple payments for the same boarding. As you see, Service and Items Cost displays any additional fees if applicable. Boarding Cost, the original cost of the boarding. Discount, any discounts added during follow-up. Total Cost, the full amount required for payment. Paid, the amount already paid. Remaining amount, the unpaid balance. Note, discounts for the entire boarding can only be applied during checkout. To make a payment, click Pay. Enter the payment amount. Let's assume the client will pay $100. Click Save. Let's now check the payment again after the first payment is done. Great! The paid amount is $100, and the client now wants to pay more in advance, assuming he will pay $600. Let's do this, then we will make the checkout. Click Pay and type $600, then Save. Let's make the checkout now. From the Action menu, click Checkout. As you can see, the Return button is active now, as the client has amount should be returned to him. OK. Click Return, then type the returned amount. By the way, you can charge the client wallet for this amount if needed, and use the amount in the feature payment. Now, the boarding is finished. Great, isn't it? Finally, don't forget to like and share, subscribe to channel and turn on the bell so you never miss any update. Thank you and see you in next video.